everyone, Miss Andronica is here, and today we are looking at describing enlargements. So the ratio of the corresponding lengths in the image and the object is equal to the scale factor of the enlargement. So the lengths of the sides of the enlarged shape have to be double. If the scale factor is 2, it has to be 2 times the length of the sides in the original image. I had mentioned it a little bit in my last video. You work that out by measuring the same side on both shapes and then dividing the image by the original. The center of enlargements is where all the lines meet when connecting the image vertex with the original. So I'll show you what I mean by that. Let's have a look at this example. So if I was to work out describe this enlargement fully, then I'd have to think about what is the scale factor and where is the center of enlargement. Okay, so I need to find out those two things here. So first of all, I'm going to look at the center of enlargement. So I'm going to connect P with the apostrophe with the original shape. So I know the green is the image and the blue is the original shape. So I'm going to create with my ruler perfectly straight lines through the P and the image of R and R and Q and Q. And if of course I do that with a perfectly straight ruler, it would look like this. Okay, so that's how it should look. Now, wherever all of those lines meet is where the center of enlargement is. So in this case, the center of enlargement is coordinate 0, 0. And on a Cartesian plane, the center of enlargement is always the coordinate. Have a look. We aren't quite finished yet because we need to say, well, what is the scale factor? What's it been enlarged by? So if I choose one length, if I go R to Q, I can see that's 2 across. Here, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's 6, that's 2. So I know my scale factor is multiplied by 3. Okay, so it's 6 divided by 2, and I know that that original shape has been multiplied by 3. So when I answer this, its center is 0, 0, and the scale factor is 3. Okay. Just want to show you one other thing. If we have a look at this particular site, we can see that those enlargement lines, if I was to enlarge the shape by scale factor of 2, add in the enlargement lines, and you can see the enlarged image there. This is proven wherever I move my center of enlargement, the image will move from the original, okay? And I can change the original shape as long as the image is the same. You might find that the images overlap completely or not. Also, you can find that if I reduce the scale factor to 1, it's just the image is immediately over the original. If I increase it, it gets bigger and bigger and bigger. Okay, so that's it. Every single time your enlargement lines will go through the image and the original and always meet at that center of enlargement. Okay, give that a go.